These are the elevators at Dithridge Towers condo in North Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These were like Montgomery, I don't know what these were originally, but were modernized, replaced with Adam Survivor. Here's the penthouse elevator. Only this one goes up the penthouse. This one's smaller. Actually, the ceiling is like Westinghouse. Penthouse 9. Here you go. These are slow. There was a bit of further distance on the other floors. Down to the basement. Yeah, only this one comes up here. I think this floor may have been added. Basic cab. Oh yeah, the Westinghouse handle. Yeah, these were Westinghouse. Yeah, that was like where the government literally was where it dropped there. Here's the other one digging. This floor it says 9th floor only. On the lobby it says 10th on the penthouse only. We'll go back to 1. Hospital rig. Certificate in the manager's office. Close.